Tired of wasting hours manually tagging hundreds of hyperbolas from your GPR scans? While one hyperbola object, such as rebar, only takes around 30 seconds to identify and tag, a full deck can cost you hours. Not anymore. Introducing the industry's first AI-powered auto-tagging for all Proceq GPRs. Now you can say goodbye to manual counting and tagging rebar. The advanced AI algorithms can instantly detect most of objects, such as rebar, marking each hyperbola automatically and accurately within seconds. This enables on-the-spot decisions to be made and dramatically cuts your overall reporting time.
Hi, my name is Clinton Lobo, and I'm a senior engineer at Men Consulting based in Perth. With regards to the AI rebar detection software, I think it's really handy, considering we do a lot of scanning, and extraction of data looks very, very easy when compared to the traditional methods. Definitely looking forward to it.